okay, mine was doing the same thing, but I put a new DVD drive in it because the old one was garbage, broken. So I put the new one in there, and it was doing the same thing yours is doing. It was doing that same thing. So I was thinking, I was like, okay, so I took my old one. I already put it in my Xbox, so I'll just show you what I did. Okay, box is right here. Okay, so what I did was just let me unscrew this real quick. Get these screws out of here real quick. Okay, what you want to do is, if you replace the DVD drive, right, then you just take your old one. What we're gonna do is just let me just zip these off real quick. Sorry it's taking so long, but I'm right-handed and I'm using my left hand right now, so okay, let's just get these screws off real quick. This should fix the problem because I did it and it worked beautiful. And now my stuff works. Okay, what you're gonna do is, like I said before, you take apart. If you put a new DVD drive in it, this is how you get it to work. Mine did the same thing. This is how it works. It should work with yours. Okay, you take it out, the old one out, your new one out. Put your new one to the side. Then you take apart your old one. And this is gonna, instead of putting all that code in there and stuff, this is what's gonna make it bypass that. Come on. Okay, just put the plate off. Okay, what you're gonna wanna do is take this part out of your old one and pop it in your new one. It's very easy to pop out. You just take this out, this out. There's another one right there. Just like that, just pops right out like that. And then don't take this part out. Don't take that part out. It's underneath. Let me see if I can just pop all this out real quick. You just pop there. Just like this. Okay. So the one you're going to want to pop out is right here. Just pull that out like so. Put your finger there. Pull it out like so. Then you take your old one that was out of the original one that came stock with your Xbox 360, and then you put the old one inside the new DVD drive that I guess you bought, and then you pop it in, and then you reassemble it all. Let me just hook it up. I just got done reassembling it, so let me just test it out real quick. Where's that drive at? Then you can get the controller on. Okay, then we just take this game mat laying around, the original Gears of War. Just open it up. Just open it up. Pop it in. Reading. Okay, come on. And there you go. That's how you do it. Shut this off real quick. And there you go. That's how you do it. Well, this is, hopefully this answers your question. Okay. Hopefully this solves your problems. Okay, bye.